The Ford F-150 full-size pickup truck is one of the best-selling vehicles on the planet, not just the U.S. The long-running American icon challenges rivals from across town, the Ram 1500 and Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra. From the dust emerges a truck that'll make the ground quake. The new 2021 Ford F-150 Tremor builds on the tough towing and payload that is F-150 and takes it off-road. Use every inch of its upgraded architecture, a higher ride height, 1 inch wider stance and 18 inches dark anodized painted aluminum wheels, with 33 inches all-terrain tires to make the natural world submit. The all-new F-150 is purpose-built from the ground up, redesigned to be the toughest, most productive F-150 ever. This is what happens when you merge premium-grade muscle with finely tuned intelligence and design. A beast with brains. A relentlessly tough, high-strength, military-grade, aluminum alloy body and torture-tested high-strength steel frame with new tech to help you work smarter and harder. An F-150 tows, hauls and grinds all day long, so you know it's not sweating the details. The all-new F-150 interior puts productivity at the forefront. So utilize your driver's seat like an office chair, with an available interior work surface, standard Sync 4 and an available 12-inch productivity screen at your disposal. The redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 embraces the digital age, with a complete tech overhaul headlined by a standard 8-inch touchscreen or available 12-inch touchscreen. And digital instrument cluster with over-the-air updates, and a hands-free driving system. Subtle design tweaks such as an active air dam and softened edges underscore the biggest change for Ford's bestseller. A hybrid powertrain offered across the XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited lineup. Subtle updates to the exterior include C-shaped daytime running lights that extend into the lower bumper and fog lights, metal stamping replacing the cladding over the wheels, and a kink in the rocker panel that mirrors the front window kink. An available power liftgate doubles as a work surface with a built-in ruler, cup holder, phone holder, C-clamp pockets, and tie-down cleats with a bottle opener. Inside the mobile workroom, occupies an available center console that can flip out into a hard flat surface over a collapsible gear shifter, but it still has the deep center console storage of any pickup. An available collapsible storage locker under the rear seats completes the clever packaging. Should owners need a siesta from the long work day, available power reclining front seats fold down nearly 180 degrees. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, active lane control, and automatic high beams, while options such as adaptive cruise control, a surround view camera system, blind spot monitors and other driver assist systems make the truck safer and easier to operate. It's made even easier with an available system called Active Drive Assist that includes a driver-facing camera to enable hands-free driving over at least 100,000 miles of map-divided highway in North America. Self-parking features are also included with that system. With the new F-150, Ford has embraced the electrification age. A fully electric F-150 is expected for 2022. That's all for this video. Consider hitting the subscribe button for more such videos.